Hi, for presentation 3, I chose to do my research on ethics in financial accounting. Due to the ambiguity of financial accounting, there are various ways in which accounting can be accomplished. In recent years, financial accountants have come under fire because of high-profile scandals such as Bernie Madoff's Ponzi scheme, Enron, WorldCom, and Tyco International, to name a few. As a result, the public has lost a lot of trust in financial accountants. Because of this, many business professionals have clamored for more education on ethics in college institutions for the future accountants of the world. In financial accounting, there are many gray areas that can lead to dangerous results. In the accounting world, there is a term known as creative accounting. Creative accounting is a way in which accountants can go around the framework of accounting to exploit and even misportray or even portray results that are inaccurate on financial statements. These portrayals can mislead stakeholders and shareholders in an organization. Sometimes this creative accounting is not necessarily illegal, but it is considered by many business professionals to be highly unethical. This, in recent years, is a positive sign that many business professionals believe this is an unethical practice. Ways to combat this, I believe, are by giving students greater exposure and to equip them with the tools they need to handle these situations properly. Another way is for these students to get better education. Education is a direct channel to help these students learn what is proper and what is the right way to go about financial accounting. One question that arose was whether or not ethics education is working or not. According to a 2013 National Business Ethics Survey conducted, observed misconduct in the workplace went from 55% to 41%. While this is improvement, many still believe that there is a lot of room for improvement. On the flip side, however, many business professionals believe that greater exposure to these students has only been positive. By giving these students greater exposure, there has been studies shown that these accountants are exhibiting better signs of post-conventional moral decision-making skills. This is necessary because it focuses on the greater good of society and not on egoistic needs. Also, they've shown that by giving these students greater exposure, they know how to better handle situations when they enter the workforce. If their supervisor or the managerial tone at the top is unethical, they're exposed early on to knowing how to blow the whistle or potentially report unethical decisions. To me, this can only create a better accounting world. By giving these students an ethics course, this can give them the tools they need and to show them what they need to do in certain situations. Also, by educating them on what is considered good financial accounting practice, they can become better financial accountants at their companies. There's also, due to these high-profile scandals that I mentioned earlier, a greater demand for better financial accountants. Many will say in an organization that an ethics course can be costly, but the cost of an ethics course is a lot cheaper than the cost of having to pay legal problems or the embarrassment of an organization conducting unethical behavior. This, to me, is a win-win situation for all parties involved. I believe that this is the future of financial accounting. An ethics course and greater exposure can only create a better world for the financial accountants to come.